In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to change your sales rep icons on your map. So in this example here on the screen, I've imported sales reps. They're placed in the correct home zip code, and when I zoom in, you will see them appear as little icons on the map. As you zoom further in, the names will start to appear. And those settings are set in configure layers, so different icons and labels appear at different zoom levels. So now let's go ahead and change these icons. Let's say maybe we're mapping warehouses or distribution centers instead of people. So then we really don't need little people icons representing buildings. So to change the icons, you simply click here on Configure Layers, and then here in the top left, you select Sales Reps. And right away, you'll see how you can customize all your labels and icons on your map. This first section here at the top shows you when the sales rep icon will appear. By default, the sales rep icon will appear at a zoom level of 6 at a 24-point font, and as you zoom further and further in, it will reach its max size of 144 points at a zoom level of 14. Right now, our sales reps are colored to match your territory, but they are set to be 50% shade darker, and that's set by default, but you can change that here. But it makes it easier to locate your sales reps on the map if they're a little bit darker than the territory. The out of territory selection here shows a red outline around that sales rep if they are operating in a territory that they do not live in. The third option will ignore gender. By default, the sales reps will get a different icon based on their name. So if the software pulls in your data and the first name matches a name that is typically a male name, it will get a male icon. And the same applies for female icons. If AlignMix pulls in some sales rep names that historically have been matched to females, then that icon will become a female. We can ignore gender by clicking on this checkbox here, and then we can click on this male icon drop down where we can choose different icons. There's about 290 different icons to choose from, but for now let's just select this building, and the software will ask us if we want to make this default for future projects. I'm going to click no. And now let's click on OK. And now you see all the icons have changed to be buildings. And there you go. You've just learned how to change your sales rep icons in AlignMix.